Welcome back, guys, to the final part 5 of Moon Palace. This video is about my favorite restaurant. Today, we eat in this place called Habibi. We got some cocktails right here that is refreshing. It has cucumber and lemon. I like it very much. Also, this is the date with rose water, very refreshing. This is a cocktail, Jalab. Enough dancing, let's just eat. This is falafel. Inside is lamb. This is the spinach foyer, good flavor, nice and fluffy. This one is crispy with cheese inside, very good. This big one right here is ground beef, pretty good. Simple falafel salad. This is a simple tuna tartare, very decent. Even the baby loved the rice and chicken. This is some kind of bun with beef and spices. It was a little dry and very, very peppery. This is the Kacha Puri, fresh baked bread filled with mozzarella, feta cheese, and butter, mixed together with one egg. I love this dish. It was made fresh, tableside. It was awesome. If you like to eat cheese, you gotta try this out. It was like a freshly baked pizza without tomato sauce. The egg and the cheese makes for a really creamy, delicious flavor. I never had anything like it. Now we got the braised lamb shank, cooked with adobo sauce. Squeeze some fresh lemon over. This dish has a very strong lamb flavor and also a very strong adobo sauce. If you don't like the gamey flavor of lamb, you shouldn't order this dish. This is the grilled fish of the day, sea bass with sesame seed sauce. Killed it 1, 2, 3. Ashta ice cream. Wow, it's super good. You gotta try this. I love it. This right here is hot string cheese with orange blossom syrup. Damn, it's so good. I've never tasted anything like this. This dessert is crazy. You gotta get this. You better believe it. It's coffee. Smells good. The baby wants some too. Nope, it's not coffee. There's no coffee about this. It's just water with some flavor. That's it, guys, for Habibi and for the last video of the Grand Moon Palace series. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you found it helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. As always, thanks for watching. See you in the next episode and have a nice day.